Hey everyone, reporting live from the blizzard of February 2026, and just want to remind everybody that when you go to the doctor's office and you're upset because they may not have everyone there, or they may not be available, or maybe there's a long wait, remember that those nurses, doctors, nurse practitioners, and all the other staff that help out at hospitals and medical offices are the first to dig out and get to work because they know that people need help. So just have a little compassion, a little empathy when you go to visit your providers this week as we all work to get out from underneath all this snow, okay? Thanks a lot. Stay safe out there. This message from Atracare.